Hello everybody, this is your nutrition in 90 seconds. So today I wanted to briefly come on to share with you a product called white quinoa. So you probably have heard of this before or seen the word posted somewhere, but wasn't sure what it was for, the product. And there's a red quinoa and a black quinoa also available. Now the white one has a lighter texture and it's a little more fluffier when it cooks up. And this product is a good source of fiber, a good source of protein, a good source of vitamins, iron. So in these grains, you get a lot in it. It's power packed. So it is a plant-based food. You can add it to your salads. You can put it in veggie burgers. So if you're doing like meatless meals or you're doing vegetarian meals, this is great to add protein to your meal. So this is a great product. So I just want to share this today with you briefly, the white quinoa. So my motto is always small steps equal big change. So take those small steps that you need for a healthier diet. Don't make it hard. Just take small steps each week, adding something new, trying something you haven't tried before. And also don't forget, Tasty Tuesday tip was just posted. So you can go to my blog, www.stepsforchange.net, to see that on how to make a healthy sloppy joe. So I will see y'all next week.